Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros 20 having weak suction power. To do it, you should check whether your filter is blocked, your brush is tangled, or your dustbin is full. Let's clean all of it. So the first thing is the filter and the dustbin. To do it, remove your robot from the charging station. Then open the cover on top of it. There will be a dustbin, and to open it, simply squeeze these two parts together. Now you can open it by pulling this notch. First of all, the filter. Make sure it's not blocked. To do it, simply you can simply sweep some particles away or clean it. If you want to clean it, you should rinse it with water, and after rinsing it with lukewarm water, make sure it air dries for 24 hours, otherwise it may cause molding. Then make sure the dustbin is empty. If not, try emptying it, and you can also clean it by rinsing it or wiping it. If you rinse it, let it dry for 24 hours as well. Now, once it's done, and if it's still showing, if it's still having a weak suction power, then you should try seeing the main brush. The main brush is right here. When you squeeze these two buttons together, you can open the cover and remove the brushes. Make sure they are rotating freely. If not, try seeing if there's some particles stuck there, maybe hair, maybe something else is tangled, or maybe a cable. Sometimes a cable gets trapped around the main brush. Then put them back in. One side, if you put it one side, it just won't fit, so maybe try rotating it and then fit it in. The gray one goes on the right side and the red one on the left side. You can even see there's a red hole for the red one and a gray hole for the gray one. So they're color matched and easy to distinguish. Close the cover and then try seeing if it works. If it doesn't, then the last thing that you can do is make sure that the suction power settings in the app are set correctly. To do it, go to the ROBOROCK app and check if once you click here, the suction power is set to your desired level. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.